Hey everyone, Ali here. So as we're talking about transitions and you're thinking about it, one question we get frequently is, how do I pick my successor? How do I know that the person taking over my practice or buying my practice is going to be a good fit? And there's no real rules or protocols to ensure that your successor is going to be incredible. But I think there's a couple of things you need to make sure that they have in terms of traits. One is that their skill sets match your skill sets. And so do they have the experience to take on all the things that you do in the office? Whether it's procedures or, other obligations that you have, can they do that? Do they have enough experience clinically and from a business perspective to handle that? So I think that's one. Two is, do they have the financial backing to be able to not only purchase the practice, but also be able to withstand any short-term kind of headwinds that they may face as a buyer? Because sometimes patients leave in droves. Sometimes they need help with marketing. Sometimes employees resign once somebody takes over a new business. I mean, there's a lot of things that could happen. So are they ready to withstand that headwind? And then the final one, right? The final one is, do they have the right attitude, right? Do they have the right attitude? There's always going to be a buyer for your practice, but do they have the right attitude when they're coming in, right? Are they someone that sees the potential in the practice? How do they interact with the employees? Are they negative towards the employees and see them as enemies, or do they see them as part of the solution and part of the team? So having experience, financial backing, and then also the attitude is really important. If those three things line up, you should be in good shape with your successor.